No. Let me stop you right there. It's not because of the system.
She thought stepping forward to speak would help her son's case, but when she opened her mouth in front of the judge, the moment quickly turned into something she probably wishes she could take back.
I remember you coming into this court testifying, making excuses for him when he was not doing what he was supposed to do, making excuses for him for why he's testing positive for drugs, making excuses for him for why he doesn't have a job, making excuses for him for why you were letting him be at your house and using your house as a hotel motel. Came in and made excuses for him with that. And I remember telling him, you were not being of help to him, that you were enabling him. And now you're back before me again, making excuses for his actions. So his being in the system, what does that have to do with him evading?
The judge's reply? Brutal. And I can guarantee she never saw that coming.
So, not making excuses for Alonzo. What I'm saying, let's say if you are accused of something that you didn't do at 13, you end up going into the system. Not to mention, I can name several other things that Alonzo's been through mentally that has been very challenging for him since he's been a child, okay?
Yes, life throws all of us mental struggles. But instead of guiding your son to rise above them, you've let him lean on those struggles as an excuse, a crutch, rather than a lesson to grow stronger.
So I don't make excuses, but I do understand when people go through things in their lives, that mentally damages them.
Let me tell you this. Here's an excuse that you're making, and you made it before. Since you're bringing me into the equation, my mother divorced. When I was young, my brother was young. And guess what? She had rules, and we had to follow those rules. There is no way on this planet that my mom ever allowed us to have people in our bedrooms with doors closed, knowing that we are having in bedrooms with the doors closed. You have done a disservice to him because you've been making excuses. Everybody, I can tell you, everybody in this court has had something traumatic happen to them. Believe it or not, I've had traumatic things happen to me. People think that I just came on this bench and everything was fine and I had this perfect Pollyanna life. That's not my life. But you know what? At a certain point in time, no matter what has happened to you in your past, at some point, the choices you're making are the choices you are making.
And that's the harsh reality of this courtroom moment. Sometimes the truth hits harder than the sentence itself. What do you think? Was the judge too harsh, or was it exactly what needed to be said? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more courtroom stories that will leave you speechless.